Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. Analysts and investors are looking at the unfolding trade war skirmishes through different lenses. But the week ahead will be dominated for us by the 2025-26 government budget announcements on Thursday, and before that, the RBA rate announcements tomorrow. Important in the background will be the bond vigilantes and their global assessments of risk premiums. While this is going on, the May PMIs will come through for most of the major economies. A number of countries will release their April CPI data too, and we'll keep a close eye on Chinese data releases later today, including for retail sales, industrial production, house prices, and foreign direct investment levels. And Chinese demand will have an influence on the Wednesday full dairy auction as well. But it is not clear yet that investors are following them. Globally, first quarter 2025 earnings have been good, with widespread results that beat forecasts. But for an increasing number of analysts, these good recent results are being dismissed because they now want to know how a company will fare in the second quarter ahead of the world trade disruption, sagging sentiment and higher costs. Stagflation offers few places to hide for them. Influential analysts at Moody's credit rating agency are worried and have joined S&P and Fitch in a notable downgrade over the weekend of the US sovereign credit rating. That followed news that falling American consumer sentiment is hanging over the global economy. The University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index dropped sharply in May from April, when analysts had expected it to rise. This is the fifth consecutive monthly decline and the lowest reading since June 2022. And we should probably note that the Trump tax cut bill failed in a key House of Representatives committee, mainly because conservative Republicans want greater spending cuts, including to Medicaid programs. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.44%, unchanged from Saturday, and the price of gold will start today at $3,201 an ounce, up $14 from Saturday, but that's down $137 from this time last week. And oil prices are holding today at just over $62.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is just under $65.50 a barrel. But both are up $1.50 from a week ago. And the Kiwi dollar is now at 58.8 US cents, unchanged from Saturday. Against the Aussie, we're down 10 basis points at 91.8 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're unchanged at 52.7 euro cents. And that all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just under 67.4, but up 40 basis points from a week ago. You can get more news about the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.